Exposing the truth about sneezes. You won't believe how fast they travel. Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? Yeah, that's faster than most cars on the highway. And those sneezes come with company. Thousands of tiny droplets get launched into the air. Imagine this. A single sneeze can produce around 40,000 droplets. That's like a sneeze party. These droplets can travel up to 26 feet. So, next time someone says, "bless you," they might need a raincoat. And here's a fun fact. We sneeze to protect our bodies from irritants. It's like our nose's defense mechanism, saying, "get out of here." So, while sneezes might seem annoying, they're actually doing us a favor. Remember, cover your nose and mouth to keep that sneeze tornado under control. And always wash your hands. Nobody wants to catch a ride on your Sneeze Express. Stay curious and keep those sneezes in check.